Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you could join me today. I have been working really hard trying to get ready for the craft fair next month. I'm really excited about it, but I'm really nervous about it too. So I spent a couple of days working on items for the craft fair. So I decided that I would do a series of what I've made to take to my craft fair, just to let you guys know what I'm making, and also if you have some opinions or something like that, or something you want to, give me some pointers on, because I've never done this before, I would greatly appreciate that. Um, One of the things that I believe in is self-care and taking care of yourself. Now I'm going to tell you, I haven't been doing it that well while I'm started making, because I think I told you I had a torn rotator cuff. And so working with the cinch and my heavy duty paper cutter has really kind of aggravated it. So I had to get over to the doctors and see if he'd give me a cortisone shot and everything like that. And so I had to tell him all about the craft fair and the with the cinch and everything like that. And he's like, no, I think I want to see an MRI to see what it looks like. So he looked at it a little bit, tear's not bad. It's kind of like the same, but in the shoulder was a little bit swollen when I went there. But I'm gonna be okay. So let me move into what we did. So of course, well, I don't know if you're like me. I've had my Cricut Maker for a while, and I usually don't take her out a lot. She usually sits on this shelf across from me. And so I said to myself, you know what, Maker, I'm gonna have to take you out because I need some stickers. And in the new Cricut design space, it's much easier to make stickers. So because self-care is my thing, I always go self-care isn't so it's not selfish. You need to take care of yourself. I needed some stickers. So I designed a sticker with a little girl on it, and she's, self-caring. She's drinking some juice, a little smoothie, got her face all, made up with a mask, got her little slippers on. She's just ready to self-care. And self-care is really more than just doing that. There's a lot to self-care, but this is what we usually think about when we think about self-care. And this part's very important too. So I made the stickers, took my maker out, got the stickers read, got my stickers made. I want to attempt to make some magnets, but I don't know. I have to play with that thing, the settings again. So what I did for the self-care, I made a self-care kit. So I put it in this bag with the window, because I like the window bag. You can see it. And inside the bag, you get your self-care planner. The self-care planner tracks sleep, does all kinds of stuff. It talks about the self-care wheel, what you need: sleep, nutrition, exercise, hobbies, boundaries, gratitude, and social interaction. It's all part of your self-care. And it goes through and it tells you all the stuff, mindfulness, and gives you a sleep tracker and sleepy train. It tells you all kinds of stuff. Exercise, your mood, why people exercise. It gives you a whole bunch of stuff to get you on the track to taking care of yourself. Along with that, because I'm a note taker and I like to write down things that come to my mind, so I include a journal. So you get a journal. You get a mug, because everybody needs a mug, when you're doing something new. And it says created with purpose. And we're all created with purpose, and in order to make your purpose and to get started on your purpose, you got to take care of yourself. You got to take care of yourself so you can keep on the right road and stuff. So if doing whatever you're doing, take care of yourself. So inside of there, as part of your self-care, I included this, take care of your feet. Because you got to walk around, you got to get stuff done. You got to take care of your feet. So there's a little feet care kit. Along with the mug, you got to have some tea. You got to settle it down, get your journal out, get your mug out, have a cup of tea. Tea is in there. And this is that KS Craft tea cozy thing. Of course, you get the stickers. Of course, you get the stickers. And then the last thing you get is once you take care of your feet and your feet are feeling good, put some cozy little socks on them for a while. Nice, soft socks to make you feel better after you done soaked your feet and scrub your feet and stuff like that. And everybody has their own foot scrub and stuff like that. And I'm not too into putting that kind of stuff in my baskets because I don't know these days what people are allergic to. And people are allergic to a lot of stuff. The last thing you want to do is put something in your basket, in your bag. They put it on their feet, boom. Their feet swells up like, woo, child. You don't want to do that. So this is the self-care kit that I'll be selling at the fair, at the craft fair. I'm thinking it's a good idea to go with all my other stationery products and all my paper crafting things. So now that you've seen it, tell me what you think. Is it something that you would buy? Do you like the items that's in it? Should there be more? Should there be less? You don't want to, just tell me what you think. Just tell me what you think. I need your input, friends. So give me your input. Fair's next month. It will be, I think it's either the second weekend or the third weekend of May. I'm waiting for my packet to come in. They said they mailed them out already, so I'm waiting for my packet to come in. And in the meantime, I'm going to keep working. It's going to be in D.C., so it'll be a little trick for me to get down there to the fair. But I'm looking forward to it, and I'm nervous about it at the same time. So, thank you for joining me. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. Take care of yourself. Please comment below. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Keep track of what I'm making for my craft fair so I can get some input so you can tell me, Jay, this is good. Jay, I don't know now, girl. So tell me what you think. I'll see you all in the next video. And I got some other stuff to show you. I think it's going to be fun. And bye now. And I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, take care of yourselves. Bye now.